Hello, good morning class. Today I will discuss the question number 44, subject accountancy, chapter number NPO. टॉपिक होगा हमारा इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट्स। इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट्स क्वेश्चन में स्टेटमेंट दी हुई है एंड एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन भी क्वेश्चंस में है। एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन क्वेश्चन में गिवन है आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन फॉर द ईयर एंडेड 31st March 2020 रुपीज़ 55,000। Second adjustment is given outstanding salary and wages is rupees 40,000 and third adjustment is given is in these questions the depreciation on sport equipments by 25%. Then the solution in this question, expenditure amount debit, income amount credit। क्वेश्चन में सैलरी एंड वेजेस क्वेश्चन में गिवन है 1,60,000। इट इज़ एन एक्सपेंडिचर्स नेचर्स प्लस आउटस्टैंडिंग एक्सपेंसेस इज 40,000 इन द एडिशनल एडजस्टमेंट इज गिवन। सो 1,60,000 एट 40,000 इक्वल्स टू 2 lakh। सेकेंड एक्सपेंसेस इज टू एक्सपेंसेस अकाउंट, ऑफिस एक्सपेंसेस अकाउंट 35,000। नेक्स्ट वन इज to telephone charges expenses natures 24,000 is debit side, and next is to electric charges expenses nature, so write down in the expenditures 32,000, to traveling expenses 65,000, and last one is to depreciation on sport equipments at the rate of 25%, and the working note is given is 2,000। depreciation on sports equipments 3,40,000 and the question is amount is given and 25% is additional information is given, so that you will be charges the 3,40,000 into 25 upon 100 equals to 85,000। it is the expenditure nature, so write down in the 85,000 is expenditures natures, and after that the income side is given in these questions। The by subscription is given in this question 3,50,000। additional information is given in this question outstanding subscription for the year ended 31st March 2020 is 55,000, so you will add the income natures of outstanding is 55,000, then 3,50,000 plus 55,000 is equals to 4,05,000 in the income side is credit, and after in this question is given is by donation natures is a income natures, and income is write down in the by donation is 50,000 is credit side, and by entrance fees is the nature of income side equals to 80,000। the last one is adding the both side is total expenditure is 4,41,000 and total income is 5,35,000। so income is greater than expenditure, calculate the surplus, and expenditure is more than income, then calculate the deficit। in this question the surplus, so income is greater than our expenditures, 5,35,000 minus 4,41,000 is equals to 94,000। so surplus in this question the find out is surplus to surplus income over expenditure is 94,000 in this questions। so you will this question is solved। any problem in these questions you asking me, any other query in this chapter NPO, then ask for me। thank you classes and thank you boys।